Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. Welcome to our monthly dashcam clip of the month for July 2024. We've gathered the best clips as submitted by you and from all over the internet and pieced them together in one compilation video. Most of these clips are also posted on our Instagram and TikTok channels regularly throughout the month. Also, if you've got some epic clips yourself to share, be sure to do so in the link below and you can get yourself a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. We also just launched our Spend More, Get More program, where the more you spend, the more you'll get. Starting July 22nd, we're offering free shipping on all orders over $150 on the BlackboxMyCar website. Now, when you spend over $450, you're going to get a free Aqua Shield. Over $750, a free BlackboxMyCar wireless mount. And lastly, when you spend over $1,050, you're going to get a free BlackboxMyCar branded 128 gig micro SD card. Unlocking a new tier will include all the rewards from the previous tiers too. So the more you spend, the more you're gonna get. These gifts are available for a limited time, so check it out today. Now let's get started.
Not paying attention? You're not paying attention?
Oof. Thanks for joining us on this special drive. The excitement doesn't end here though. You still have your chance to share your epic clips with us and earn a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. If you're a content creator, influencer, business, or someone just interested in collaborating with us to create something amazing, we want to hear from you. Simply send us a direct message on Instagram to start the conversation. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more action-packed compilations every month. Now until next time, drive smart and stay safe.